Hey everybody, welcome to Scotchman Industries. We're back here in our shipping department. We get a lot of phone calls and customer service for customers that have older machines and they don't know how old their machine is, but yet we're trying to send them parts out for their machine. So I'm going to give you a couple ways to look and to find out how old your machine is. That will allow our customer service department to get you the right part the first time. So on every machine, there's a data tag. And on that data tag, it has all of your information on it, but your serial number is the first one that we want to take a look at as far as your parts that you're ordering. The first four digits are the number of in line of the ironworker, but the numbers you want to actually look at are the numbers after the letters. There's going to be two letters. This is an FF, and then it says 0426. So this machine was built in April of 2026. But those four numbers after the letters on your data tag will always be the month in the year that your ironworker was built. Now we know that in shop environments, over time, a lot of times data tags get worn off of machines. People refurbish them, repaint them, they don't get them put back on, or they just get wore off. So we have a second place for your serial number stamped on the tool table of every ironworker. So if you look at the top of this tool table, these are the first four digits of your serial number, 8965FF. With those four digits, we can tell you how old your machine is. So if your data tag is wore off, always come up here to your tool table where it's also stamped in. That's our Tech Talk Tuesday tip of the week. Always feel free to give us a call here at Scotchman or check us out online at scotchman.com.